The traditional path to building a massive software or business empire has just become completely obsolete. Right now, the elite 1% of digital creators are leveraging a profound structural evolution known as the expressed intent paradigm. They have completely abandoned manual coding, complex engineering workflows, and massive corporate overhead, shifting to a world where a single human orchestrator can turn raw intent into enterprise-grade software applications overnight. To fully comprehend the scale of this operational shift, you have to realize that manual programming is rapidly becoming a commodity. For decades, the primary barrier to entry for building a digital empire was technical execution. The need to master intricate programming syntax, manage massive engineering teams, and spend months debugging lines of code before an application could ever hit the market. That technical bottleneck has been completely eradicated by advanced generative AI engines that translate natural language directly into execution-ready architecture. In this new paradigm, the primary competitive edge is no longer how well you can code, but how clearly you can think. The elite creators do not interact with software at the syntax layer, they operate at the architecture layer. They utilize orchestration syntax, a highly specialized, precise method of structuring human intent, logical constraints, and systemic goals, guiding autonomous AI engines to build, test, and deploy entire software networks in a fraction of a second. A single individual can now wield the operational output that once required an entire Silicon Valley tech company. This creates a hyper-asymmetrical economic environment. Traditional tech companies burdened by massive headcount, bureaucratic alignment meetings, and legacy development cycles are being systematically outmaneuvered by lean, sovereign operators who move at the speed of thought. When the cost of software development drops to zero, the only factor that dictates market capture is the velocity of iteration. The individuals who master the articulation of intent can deploy, test, and pivot multiple enterprise applications simultaneously, capturing massive market share before traditional entities can even schedule a strategy meeting. The long-term implications for the global labor market and human agency are profound. As artificial intelligence automates the execution layer of intellectual work, the premium on standard technical skills is collapsing. The future belongs entirely to the conceptual architect, the individual who possesses deep cross-disciplinary knowledge, absolute strategic clarity, and the unique ability to orchestrate machine intelligence toward high-value problems. The economic divide is shifting away from capital versus labor and moving toward the sovereign orchestrator versus the automated executioner. We are living through the absolute greatest democratization of leverage in human history. The institutional gatekeepers who controlled access to software production, corporate scale, and technological infrastructure have lost their monopoly. The power to build world-changing platforms and massive wealth networks is sitting directly on your screen, waiting for an operator with the vision and tactical discipline to seize it. The execution has been completely commoditized. The only question left is what you intend to build. The machine is waiting for your command.